So I abruptly got cut off by a phone call that if I could see the other person on the other side of that phone call, I would have strangled them. By the way, I hope that you enjoyed the first part of this video. This is just going to be the short end that I couldn't make. Wow, it's bright back there. So again, I'm truly excited, my friends, because you know what? When you work on yourself, when you train your brain instead of letting your brain train you, you are going to experience life on another level. You're going to become more consciously aware of your surroundings. You're going to become more consciously aware of you, what you're thinking, these patterns of thinking that go on in your head. We must conquer that pattern of thinking. By the way, if you are a problem gambler and you're stuck and you're going through shit in your life and you don't want to hurt your family, you want to turn things around, right? We got to be honest. For me this year, I'm just excuses. Honestly, I don't want to be hearing excuses. I really don't. I don't want to be hearing excuses from myself either. And believe me, I deal with myself. So that's the key, right? Is dealing with those excuses, changing the construction workers within your mind, replacing those construction workers, right? The ones that are working in your subconscious, the ones that you've trained over the years and you've had input. And that's what's going on, right? Like the captain of the helm, your life is like a big ship. It's going from one port to another. You got a captain up there. Which captain are you? Which captain do you have at the helm of your ship? Who is controlling the rudder, my friend, in your life? You gotta make a decision. You gotta determine that. You gotta throw the excuses out the window. You know what I mean? Out. You gotta get rid of those excuses, my friend. So make sure that you share this video, okay? Please share it. Give me a thumbs up. Help me help other people. Post it on social media sites. Post it on addiction sites. Post it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Wherever you can post this video that you know will help somebody. Please do that. Donate financially. Also, I'm asking for donations. $50, $60, $75. Whatever the Lord Jesus Christ puts on your heart. Help me help other people. Okay? I do a lot of this stuff for free. And yes, I got a family to take care of. I have charities that I'm giving to that I want to give more to. That's why I ask you guys for your help. So, again, if you don't deal with this, and again, my information, my connection, my information link will be below. soldiersofselfmastery.com. My personal health link will be below also. You can check out if you want better health. If you truly want better health, and you want to start doing it just by simply drinking water, just changing the water that you drink at home. Simple. You're not changing the flavor. You're not making anything different about your water. All you're doing is enhancing the water that you are consuming. Water, think about it, more important than food. You can go without food. Water and minerals, micronutrients, micro minerals, and trace minerals your body needs. Believe me. Study it, search it out, and see if I'm bullshitting you. Anyways, that link will be below. So, if you don't deal with your mind, if you don't train your brain, if you don't work on it, if you don't face your fears, if you run, if you hide, if you shrink, if you see this thing as a big mountain in front of you, your addiction or whatever it is that you have going on in your life that you want to that is destroying you, if you see that, you gotta basically shrink that down to like the size of a little pebble. And you gotta do it in your head. It's gotta be done in your head. This is where you visualize. This is where you conquer. This is where you fight your battle. And then the battle on the physical, in the physical realm, will be conquered also. And again, I'm gonna be leaving this video short. Cephas, my business partner, will be on tonight, Friday night alive. I'm looking forward to seeing that. I probably won't be able to see it. I'll be working. And again, my goal this year is to help you get rid of your excuses. breakthrough in your life, the breakthrough that you know that you need. You and God knows what that breakthrough is. I don't know what it is. You know what it is. Maybe you haven't even shared that, but you're looking for that breakthrough, right? That's my goal. That's my mission, is to inspire you, to help ignite that fire within you so that you give yourself permission and say, hey, you know what? Yes, I can. And you know, I can't believe that I've been letting this thing defeat me for so long. No more. No more. Today, I decide. Today, I pull out my journal. Today, I write what I need to write in my journal. Today, I make the decision to begin removing the construction workers and replacing them with good ones. I'm telling you, you got to use your mind. Visualize these things happening. Get a mental image. Why do I call myself soldier of self-mastery? Why do I call myself philosopher of everyday victorious living? Why do I call myself a self-empowerment life coach? Why do I use this mantra that I'm going to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top in spite of and because of? Why do I do those things? That's all self-talk, my friend. That is all painting that's all painting a mental image in my head that I want to hold on to, and I want to believe that I can become that person and act like and live like that person. A soldier of self-mastery. Think about it. What does that mean? What kind of an image does that paint in your head? Soldier of self-mastery. That's a label that I've given myself. Hey, it's better than I'm a problem gambler. It's better than I'm this or I'm the other thing. Whatever. People have labels, right? You know, you have your own labels, and we destroy ourselves because somebody else. By the way, I talk about labeling in the Little Red Book. Also, there's a section in here where I talk about your self-talk and how you can basically transform everything about you with that life hack. So I'm done. I hope you've enjoyed this second part. Remember, share it. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know how I'm helping you. Let me know. Be specific. Santos, you know, I got victory in this area. Santos, this or the other thing, whatever. Be specific with me. Help me so that I can focus and tune in on those areas to keep helping people even further, my friend. So with that said, I will definitely see you on Sunday Night Alive Power Hour. Bring a friend, tag a friend, be there, grab your pen, pencil, whatever, bring your thoughts. Let's talk about addiction. Let's talk about transformation. Let's talk about change, facing our fears, facing temptation, facing the triggers, and manhandling all of that, my friend. I'm telling you. So, coaching is available. The Problem Gambling Breakthrough Academy. Enroll in it. I'm encouraging you to enroll. Get that little app on your phone, tablet, computer. I don't care if you're in Africa, in the jungles of Africa. If you got Wi-Fi and you're struggling with gambling, I don't know if there may be some gambling casinos in Africa somewhere, I'm sure. Make some changes for yourself. Become a blessing. Be happier. Be healthier. Be more mindful, be more consciously aware. Replace your construction workers in your subconscious. Optimize your paradigms. Train your brain versus letting your brain train you, my friend. I'll see you on the inside. I appreciate you. I love you. Peace through strength. Strength through peace. So I will see you. And once again, remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top. In spite of and because of, man, take that mantra, take some words, add to it, make it your own. I'm telling you, my friend, visualize. Peace. Saludo.